Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting your phone ready. This is the only way to use Apple Card on an iPhone. First, sign into your Apple ID and make sure two-factor authentication is on because Wallet requires it. Once done, open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign to add a card. Choose Apple Card from the available options or enter the card details manually if prompted. Do this now so the phone can verify your account and link the card securely to Apple Pay. You proceed by entering the card details and completing verification because Wallet needs proof you own the Apple Card. Type the number, expiration, CVV, and billing address, then follow the on-screen verification. This uses a text or email code tied to your bank or card issuer. Next, authorize with Face ID or Touch ID so payments are immediate and secure. Once verified, make Apple Card your default for Apple Pay. If you finish by actually using the Apple Card, double-click the side button or open Wallet in an app and select Apple Card to pay with Apple Pay. For online or in-app purchases, choose Apple Pay and confirm with Face ID or Touch ID. After buying, check Wallet for transactions, statements, and daily cash details. This helps track spending and avoid surprises. If the card fails to add, restart your iPhone, confirm your Apple ID region matches your billing address, and contact the issuer only if those steps don't work.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.